guys, today we are in Istanbul. Hey, do you know that there's a very big and beautiful mosque in Istanbul? Nah, it's not the Blue Mosque. This is different and majestic in its own right. It's beautiful in the day, breathtaking at night. Come, join us on this discovery. Introducing Grand Kamika Mosque, Turkey's largest mosque with epic views over Istanbul. One of the most breathtaking places I have ever stepped in. Today, we are going there by bus. We are taking bus 14F from Kadıköy. Your bus will stop here. In the bus, it will show on the screen. Get off here and walk across the street, and you can walk towards the escalator. It is up on higher ground. It could be more windy, and remember to bring a jacket along. Would you believe it? This was completed in 2019. It could hold almost 60,000 people. And this isn't just a mosque, it's a statement of beauty and architecture. Look at all the intricate designs. Even with the size, it's so peaceful and serene here. Notice each dome is decorated with intricate and captivating patterns. Each is different from the next. It's like a quiet tribute to centuries of artistic tradition. It's so delicate, giving every curve a sense of purpose and soul. It's simply art. Wow. The clouds are coming in. Hey, did you notice? Even the pillars are different designs and patterns on each side. Right? Oh, you see that? Hey, don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and share. Thank you. Next, we proceed to the main dome. Hey, be ready to have your breath taken away. Now it's almost night and you can see the clouds coming in. It's really beautiful. I told you, it's breathtaking at night. Just see how beautiful it is. The Grand Kamika sits on the Kamika Hill on the Asia side of Istanbul, so you have to take a ferry if you're staying in the Europe side.